Hello friends, myself Avnish Kumar Singh. This is InstaShare clone app developed by me. I want to explain about coding implementation first and next features, and we'll check UI of the application. See here, coming to the app.js file. I have used different routes in first route login page scene. The web application have developed Instagram is authenticated first. So check for the authenticated first user authorized and not. So login component which are implement here. This is login component. So I will take the username password from the user, so that I will make API call using post method and user detail send in body, so that will get the response. It is success will redirect to the home page, and it is fail and so will show the error message. Here whenever I come capturing JWT token, it is further used and perform any operation in next website. It always check for the JWT token, so we have to store the JWT token using cookies component from the JS third party package which is imported. So I have used JS cookies third party package. Cookies store JWT token, so here I will check for the login authorization. Now we will check. This is login page. Enter username and password. If username and password match, then redirect to the home page. This is home page view. If username and password did not match, then show error message. Username password did not match, so I will correct username and password and click login button, then again redirect to the home page. Now next coming to the app.js file in home root. Before home root, I want to explain protected route. Why protected route use means, see here I have to check the authorization every time for every route. So every time we have write code said the code in one particular component I am using from their component, every time it check for the authorization every route is protected route. I have implementation the code for the authorization checking. There is the JWT token, so it is authorization, otherwise it is not authorization, then JWT token is undefined. It will redirect to login page, otherwise it will go to the particular route. Now next come to home route. In home route, see here render method. I have used flowing component. One is header component, second story, and user posted, failure view, search component, and search component context. Now next coming to header component. File I have used flowing cookies to get JWT token and the flowing icons, the React icon package. See here I have to set link for the particular route first. First we have web logo and one search bar to check for the particular profile and particular field, and the home link and profile link and logout button. These are implemented in header component. Now next story component. In story component we have used story in the home page. See here in the story I have to display all the story by the flowers and flowing the particular users. These story are displayed using slider component. This slider component I have imported for the React Slick third party package, and I have setting here for the breakpoint to be responsive, and I have made API call using get method and send JWT token in authorization. Next I have captured the data and show using slider component, and I have all display story slider component. Now we'll check. This is story component, used slider component, import from import third party package React Slick and display here. Now next component user start post again. Here I have used more component and React icon. First I made API call and captured data here and display the data in home page. Now next coming to the app.js file, again we have next root my profile. See here in my profile component, whatever we are using, we have one profile and details, profile pic, profile name, description, how many followers and user followings, and then whatever we storage have feed and whatever post all data display in my profile component. Now next coming to app.js file, again next component not found. See here in not found component, whenever user navigate bad path, then it is redirect to not found component. This is loader component. Import React loader spinner and style the loader, class name and style, color, height, size. These are implement here. Now next coming to app.js file, again we have next root user profile. User profile means a particular user follow so many user, that users post image and some feed. So from the user we can navigate to the user profile, so that user profile is designed here, user profile component. Now check further UI. First of all login, enter username and password and click login button. This is home page, website logo, search bar, home, profile, logout button display here, and see user story. Now click the profile, then show the profile detail, username, number of post, number of follower, followings, name, description, and show of image user post. Now coming to user start post, user post different types of image. These are icons. When we want to like this post, when we click that show red color, that means user like this post true, and we want to unlike, that means user like this post false. When we want to know about the particular person, click the person name, then it will redirect to person profile, profile name, number of post, following, bio, how many numbers of post user post. Now enter the username in search bar. Then show the user profile in search result. See here user profile name, profile pic, numbers of like, bio, description. Now when we enter the random username, then show search not found, type different keyword on search, again description, and again user access the bad path, then show page not found and description and home page button. Click the home page button and redirect to home page. And user already login, but user try access to login page, then automatic redirect to home page. See here. Now see mobile view. This is mobile view. When we click hammer icon, then show home, search, profile, logout button. See here. Now I explain again this project briefly, which technology used in this project. First, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React.js, third-party package React Slick, and Figma. These all technology are used to develop React Mini project InstaShare clone. Now I explain briefly project details again. Implement responsive stream application like Instagram clone, where user can log in and see a list of story and post. User can also search post with post caption. User can be able to like and dislike the post and also view the users. See here mobile view. Now I provide the website URL in description. Please check to better understanding this project. Thank you.